Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our DevOps and Cloud Infrastructure lecture. This week, we are going to focus on DevOps practices. And this is really one of my favorite lectures in the course. And I think it comes at a good time in the curriculum progression because the last couple weeks have been very tech focused. And by the time we get to this lecture, I find that students are looking for a little bit of a break. So this lecture is that break in the sense that it's going to be very business focused rather than technology focused in terms of working with hard skills. In terms of the agenda for this week's lecture, I'm going to talk a little bit about DevOps in general and just sort of a refresher, because the last time I talked about DevOps was the very first lecture in the course. I'm going to discuss some of the lean theory which underpins DevOps practices. And then I'll cover a number of different components of DevOps. I'll talk about DevOps culture, and how we leverage the sort of design for operations methodology. I will talk about automation and infrastructure as code. And then I'll wrap things up by talking about the code deployment pipeline and measurement. Let's get started.